just checking back on that Wren's, which was near the fence. You can see it's all built up there now. Yeah, it's hard to get underneath actually, but yeah, that's the update on that one. Ready to go. It's a little beauty actually, that. Just checking in on the song thrush in the broom. I never had a chance. The parent bird was always glued to that nest, but look at them chicks in there. 3 I think there is. Oh, they are little beauties. They're getting on brilliant there now. What a success that is. Right on the edge of the path. 3 fledgling chicks about ready to go. Actually, you can see an egg in the bottom there, and a fertile egg. Yeah, but there it is. I'm over the moon with that. Get out of here. Just to check back in on that. This is the first long-tailed tit in the gorse. It's the one that's hard to get to actually. It's always around the front. Yeah, that's got a whole bunch of eggs in there. I would say 6 or 7 in that there now. Brilliant. It's doing so well. So close to the song thrush as well. A couple of others to check. We'll see how we'll go today, but so far so good. Just a quick one with the blackbird that's low in the gorse. It's well hidden, and see that's got chicks in there now. It's doing really well. I don't know how many's in there, we'll check. But they're all doing well. 4 I think. Yeah, it's in between the song thrush and the long-tailed tit. I think we've got the chaffinch up next. But I am so pleased with that one as well. It's just nestled there. It's about what? Not even 2 foot off the deck. Just there. Chick's doing well in there. It's been hunting for a willow warbler, but I just want to show you in here. This is that. You see the construction in there, moss, grass. That is a Dunnock's nest. I've seen both male and female. Female was a lot bigger in this area, but that's it. That's a Dunnock nest. That'll be great to see soon when the feathering goes in. Them beautiful eggs, blue eggs that it lays. But I am over the moon with that. Got a Dunnock. Just in here, it's been a willow warbler that's been driving me absolutely crazy. I can't pin it. But you see the moss there. This is another little wren, and it's tucked up in the gorse there. It's nearly, I'm leaning right over, that is leaning right over, in its new construction. I think this is about the 5th of wren I've come across, 4 or 5, but that's tilted right over that. It's nearly on the horizontal. That willow warbler cannot get it. 5 more minutes and I'll give it another shot. But yeah, nice little wren that. Just checking back on the blackbird on a tilt, and it's bad news on this one. You can see in there, on the top there, that one's been predated. Pretty intact then, but that one's certainly been at. It was such a funny angle, it's just tilted, it just wasn't very stable. Wasn't holding that much hope for this one, and yeah, it's been hit, which is a shame. Right on its side now. Shame. just sheltering from a little bit of rain, and dipped under this gorse and stumbled across this. Really, it's a blackbird nest. 3 eggs at the moment. That's nicely nestled in there. That's a nice one, that. Yeah, that government emergency alert's just gone off. God, heart attack. Dear me. Anyways, that's a nice one. We'll get out of here.